Zesty provides us the right tools to make the right decisions at the right time in order that we can achieve the profitability that is our ultimate goal. Standard Casualty is a niche writer of manufactured and modular home business, primarily in the southern part of the country. There are a lot of unique characteristics to underwriting manufactured homes. What led us towards Zesty was really a desire to be able to more precisely underwrite that business. Because most zoning laws don't allow manufactured homes within city limits, most manufactured homes are in more rural areas. That tends to put them in places that are less protected in terms of fire protection. From an inspection perspective, sometimes it's difficult to get precise geocoding information. And so in terms of using anything other than a physical on-site inspection, then that can be challenging. Aerial photography really solves that problem for us. We can actually accomplish what we can do through an on-site inspection at a fraction of the cost. We may have two risks that are located right next to one another, where one would be acceptable and the other would not. And that's really almost like the holy grail from an underwriting perspective. Being able to drill down to that level of granularity so that you have a high level of confidence that you're accepting and rejecting risks for the right reasons. And the Zesty products give us the ability to do that.